When it comes to how to set up your estate plan, you are going to want to talk with your attorney about whether you should use a will or a revocable living trust. There are advantages to each. A revocable living trust, the main advantage to that is that you should be able to avoid probate upon your death. And if there's no good reason to have a probate, then perhaps that is the best option for you. There are certain states where probate is very difficult, very expensive, and in those states you might want to avoid a probate. For example, California. In Washington state, we are more likely to use a will. The reason for that is that in Washington state, our probates are very simple. But beyond that, there are a lot of benefits that come from using a will that you do not get with a revocable living trust. For example, if you want to protect assets for your spouse when you're gone, to make sure that those assets do not get spent on long-term care, and to make sure that they can qualify for the state to pay for the long-term care, you can only do that through a will. You cannot do that through a revocable living trust. So yes, with a will situation like I just described, there will be a probate. And that probate theoretically could cost you $5,000, maybe even $10,000 for that probate. But on the other hand, that monthly expense at the nursing home of $10,000 to $15,000 is going to be covered by the state. And you're going to be able to protect at least half of the assets of the couple. So when you're looking at what's the cost, what's the benefits, oftentimes there is a very substantial benefit from having a will and doing a probate.